What is up, all my investors of the Shaddai? I'm back again with another HINANCE video, giving some daily commentary and breaking down the ever so complicated financial industry for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this money, this cheddar, this moolah. Today I'm talking about, I gotta give my Nokia update this week, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about gold. Of course, before I get there, I gotta show my appreciation to all the people that have been watching since day one. I appreciate y'all. Just don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. And subscribe, comment below, show me some love, say what's up, how y'all doing. Let me know how my voice sounds on this video as well too. I'm on the Discord currently, and I just don't have time today to set up my camera and do the video as I usually would. So I'm just going right off the Discord. So if you're interested in joining the stocks group chat, well, now it's an investing group chat because we're also talking about Forex in there. And one day we'll get to real estate a little bit more detailed. So if you're interested in joining, just shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details to be part of the Future Millionaires group chat. But I just want to check in how y'all doing, how y'all feeling. Let me know in the comments, how's your portfolio? Are you hanging in there? Do you want to sell? Are you scared? Are you worried? Either way, whatever emotion you're feeling, I just want you to know that that's part of the game. Emotions is gonna come into it. So you just gotta stick it out if you really want to be here for the long run. Continue to do research, like I mentioned to everybody in the stocks group, in the investing group chat. Continue to do research in the downtimes and continue to look for opportunities because you just never know when you're gonna have to run that audible, right? Gotta hit this chapstick. I feel like my lips are mad chapped. Let me know in the comments though how my voice is. It's currently 6:20 in the morning. Thursday, 6:20. Let's look at how the futures are before I start talking about my favorite company in the whole wide world. So last night, right before the market closed, about like 3:45, 3:50 to 4 o'clock, whole market jumped up like another like a 1.5%. It was kind of like very interesting reversal, especially how we started off the day. But the futures is looking a little patchy, and I think that's what we're gonna get going forward. I think we're gonna get patchiness. I think we're gonna range. We might have days that spike up, we might have days that spike down, but that's just part of the game. So you just got to be able to hang on if this is what you really want to do. Now, of course, I got to talk about my favorite company, Nokia. I feel like I haven't given an update in a while. So they just inked a new deal with LG Up Plus to deploy indoor 5G solutions. This is another major deal, and this isn't a new deal. They've always had a partnership with LG, but this is going to basically help strengthen their, I believe, East Asia footprint. I believe is what they call it, the East Asia footprint. So, I mean, as part of the partnership, Nokia will leverage its much acclaimed AirScale portfolio to deploy small cell AirScale indoor radio system across a number of indoor sites. This one-of-a-kind installment will not only reinforce the long-standing relationship between the two companies, but also establish a streamlined 5G infrastructure while strengthening its footprint in the East Asian country. So this is another great good news. Just more good news, and the more good news, the better for Nokia. As we stated, this year is going to be grim, and the major part that I liked about this article is that they kept it 100. You know what I would like to say. Despite strength of its end-to-end portfolio, Nokia has long been struggling to restore its leadership position in the emerging markets. Nevertheless, distinct strategies and positive endeavors like this on the back of its technological prowess is likely to enhance its cost-effective and automated 5G network operations, especially when it's aiming to walk the extra mile to revive its faltering 5G business. Sharpen customer focus and reduce long-term costs will further bolster its product roadmap and cost competitiveness through incremental 5G investments. This is what they've been working for, to get that 5G number 2 spot, even if that. Because it's up for grabs, and that's the best part about Nokia. The 5G market's up for grabs, and I've been telling y'all this year was going to be grim, and this shows. Let's look the last 6 months. This shows how grim it is. For those of you who don't know, the orange line is the S&P 500. This is when it jumped up, when Nokia jumped up, did a very rare jump up. Stuff was spiking. I think this was the Reddit forum doing this. Other than that, though, it's been underperforming compared to the S&P 500. Y'all know how I love comparing to the S&P 500 because the S&P 500 historically has done well over time. So I usually always compare just to, but you could put many different comparisons. Dow Jones, you got the VIX. Oh, the VIX is doing awful. So we'll stick with the S&P 500. Like I said, I like to compare everything to the S&P. And this is what I mean by grim year. This is what we're going to be looking at. Although I hope that maybe we can get to a high threes, low four. Well, no, we're in the fours. 4, 5, 8. We need some type of jump. To even get up to the S&P level right now, we need some type of like a 20% jump, which I don't know if we're going to get that. This year is grim. This is what I mean by grim. But where we'll get lucky is next year. For all my Nokia holders, strong holders, we'll get lucky next year. So just another good news to point out. Like I said, I'm going to be giving as much Nokia updates as possible. And I did want to mention, because it's like gold, finally. Gold, like Barrick Gold, I've been waiting for so long. And I was going to take my losses with them. And this goes, because part of my strategy is to not sell when I feel emotional. That's part of my strategy. Don't sell, just hold. If you don't need the money, hold on to it. And I was really feeling like taking losses on my Barrick Gold, holdings, and I didn't. I stuck through it. I stuck through all these treacherous days here. As y'all can see, many of y'all would have probably sold out or over here, but I kept through. I even bought more in this dip, and well, obviously compared to the S&P 500, gold is what we call shit the bed, but they're saying a 10% increase. I don't know if this gauge is right. They're saying in 2021 a 10% increase. That's what analysts are saying. So I mean, This is good news for gold. I guess right now it's an uncertain time, and anybody out there that's saying that you invest in this and you're going to be a millionaire, you invest in that, you're going to be a millionaire, they're lying. Any analyst that says they know what you should invest in to make it to the next level, they're lying. We don't know if it's going to be Bitcoin. We don't know if it's going to be stocks. We don't know if it's going to be real estate. We don't know if it's going to be gold. We don't know right now. Right now, there's a crazy shift happening, and let's not forget that all these countries want to be number one. U.S. currently devaluing their money by constantly printing money. So who knows? Will gold be the next number one? Will it be Bitcoin? Will Bitcoin get regulated? Because if we think that these governments are going to let Bitcoin and people just do whatever they want on Bitcoin and not regulate, I think we're in we high off that shit. I would say if that's what everybody thinks, that where we're going, that the government is just going to let people do whatever they want on Bitcoin. It's just not going to happen. Y'all know they like to have power, and that's just been the name of the game. It's a power game, and that's eventually they will catch a hold. They will catch a hold for sure. So I don't know. For now, I'm just happy that gold is somewhat looking up. If they're saying 10%, I'll take the 10%. Bring me back to these November levels at least, so I can make a little bit of money. That's what I'm trying to do, and that's what gold is too. I think that it helped my my portfolio, and it reinforced my strategy, because it was just really a safe haven, because I didn't know where the market was going to go. I put a little bit in Bitcoin, put a little bit in gold, put some more in stocks, put some more here, put some more in there, ETFs, mixing it up. And it all goes back to risk management, y'all. It all goes back to risk management, and that's how you manage your risk, by being spread out, being diverse, a little bit of everything. If you're over leveraged in one thing, you better be praying to someone else, because you just never know what the day can bring. But I hope today has continuous momentum from yesterday. I'm not sure if that will happen, but I'm always being optimistic about the market. And you should too. You should definitely too. Please hold out, my people, especially if you look like me, minorities. We definitely need to keep our footprint in the stock market. So that's why I'm going to continue to tell people to hold out even through the bad times. Obviously, take your profits if you need to leverage yourself a little bit better so that you can withstand the storm. But if you can withstand the storm, withstand it, hold on, and continue to do that research. Like I always say, do your due diligence. I am not a financial advisor, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. You need to do your own damn research, all right? Either way, I hope your portfolio does amazing for the rest of the week. I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe, please subscribe. I appreciate y'all, and let me know what y'all thoughts are on today's video. I'll check y'all tomorrow.